Now you's a pull up queen, right? So the viral video when you pulled up like Huggies, you know what I'm saying? And then I was flying with the bottle, kept the bottle on my hand. You feel me? I was trying to keep the
You
peace.
trying to
You
get me
feel me?
back? Why you trying to get me back?
No.
Man, this
Because
we
I'm like,
live
because
stream, my nigga.
hey, no. Because you said, take me to my car. I say, okay, you're notorious for pulling up. You know what I'm saying? You must got a gas card or something. So Inglewood.
Especially when that motherfucker close, I be happy. I only got $5 worth of gas in my car. Boy, I'm finna pull up fast, motherfucker.
Okay, so. All right. Everybody know you a Compton Crip, but you comedic at the same time. Do you know people don't know when you joking and when you not? Do you think that's a thing?
Oh, everything I'm serious. Like, okay, I be talking about YouTube niggas a lot. I fuck with the YouTube niggas, right? When I be like, YouTube niggas over here, they over here getting into it with each other, I'm laughing, like making a joke for everybody can laugh at it. Like, you know, it's really not, I really don't feel, like, personally, I don't feel no way about no nigga on YouTube. Like, I fuck with everybody. I just wish everybody can fuck with each other on God. So I kind of hated that I'm cool with everybody, but they beefing with each other. And it's like, it's leaving me right here, like, they motherfucker can't trust me because they think I'm going back telling, but then they do. They like, no, because she ain't like that. She didn't get me beat up. She didn't get me set up. Like, I'm not like that. But I wish y'all could get along and, like, you know, hash shit out and be laughing about certain shit. But the shit is funny. So I just, like, it just fucks me up being, like, a comedian and then I be telling the truth, too, at the same time. But it's funny. Like, you know what I'm talking about? It's funny, but I'm telling the truth. They think I'm serious. Like, as in, like, I'm heartbroken and my shit crushed. And yeah.
So, okay, because I don't know the pivotal points. All right, so all I do know is, you put LOL in the comments on something, cause you and Crip Mac, y'all did some content together, and oh girl.
Well, let's talk about that. Let's get this clear. Crip Mac, I ain't no bitch that reach out to no nigga on the internet. Everybody I know them reached out to me. Not saying I'm too good I'm bigger than the program or too good. It's just that he reached out to me, want to do content with me. Not even do content. He liked me. So he reached out. I was at like a Bebop function with the homegirl and the niggas I know from Bebop.
Shout out to Bebop.
Yeah, I was sitting in the car, and before I was getting out, the Crip Mac kept, you know, DMing me on the calls. Like, he kept calling, like, oh, beautiful. Oh, you're a beautiful Crip lad. And he kept posting my pictures. And I guess when he kept posting my pictures, somebody kept flagging it, like kept reporting it. Yeah, I didn't know until he told me. But I seen the post. I kept seeing the post. I'm like, ooh, this funny face boy over here. Girl, this funny face boy. They were like, I think I seen him on the internet. I think I seen him on the internet too.
Funny face is crazy. Go ahead.
Yeah, no, because, you know, he got all of the, I'm like, ooh, funny face. Like, I call them motherfuckers funny face.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that happened. He called, and then he called with and then screenshotted it and sent it to me that my ass, that's when I had my ass with the blue thong on my profile picture. And he had it like in the middle of his forehead. He sent it to my DM, and I started laughing. I was like, let me answer this nigga. I answered him. And that's how we got cool. We just got cool. It was nothing, no sexual, nothing. But he was saying how much he have a crush on me. He done pulled up, had Lupe pull up to my job. He gave me some money right there. And I'm like, nah, I was talking to my inmate too while he was doing that. That nigga said, you better take that shit, girl, please.
My inmate is crazy. So
my inmate,
your inmate is your gerb that's locked up.
He ain't locked up. He free. You know, he free.
Free now?
At the time, he was locked up. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So how y'all end up doing content? I don't know. You could get a story on that, but I know you supposed to put LOL in some comments, and the young lady took it like, I don't know how she supposed to took it, and that's
like I was laughing at her and her, but that's a, you know, like I said, that's an animated picture, or whatever, and
describe the animated picture.
It was Crip back in that motherfucking chair with some drawers on, you know, like you get like, but it was Homer though, and it was like he had tattoos on him, he had the drawers on, I think, and then it was her animated with tattoos. Like, it was cute though. It was a cute little picture, but it was funny how he had all the little kids running around in diapers, whoever made that picture. So I'm like, man, this some funny shit. They could make a cartoon, like, right. You know, it's funny. So on the funny level, like on the comedic level, I'm a comedian, so I'm gonna laugh and post up anything, like, but I didn't post it up. I just LOL'd on that motherfucker. So she thought the LOL means that I'm a fake ass bitch, but the whole time, Crip Mac was reaching out to me, telling me how much this bitch don't like me because I ain't followed her back. What? I don't even know you, baby. You feel me? So how you mad about me? She ain't even ever followed me for me to even say, you feel me? So I'm like, I kept going. I said, what girl? He kept screenshotting her, sending her to me. And every day he kept saying, she's saying why you didn't follow her. I'm like, damn, that's some type of mental shit she got going on. Why you so infatuated with me following you? You know, I'm like, I ain't even meet you yet. So then when I met her, after she came to the podcast, I thought she was real cool until she was trying to say something about his thing, and I bust her out on it like, no, you can't call it. I seen it, and she felt dumb, like, ooh, like y'all did something. Me and Crip Mac started laughing, so it's like he was flirting on me while she was on his lap right behind, like, so it's like, girl, so
she tried to call Crip Mac Pee Wee Herman, and you said
no, she tried to call it. Not Pee Wee Herman.
Oh, she said he was large, and you said no.
Yeah, because they said the other girl was saying that on the internet, saying, oh, his thing little, or he ain't got no, you know, and she was trying to say, because I don't know what she talking about, because he got Crip Mac. I said, girl, don't do it all like that, because he don't, girl.
Oh, so you told the real.
Yeah, he was right there. We both started busting up. Like, I said, girl, I ain't never had sex with that boy. But, you know, he said, this was before I was sending her pictures. He was right there agreeing with the shit. You know, I'm just like, don't make it seem bigger than the program.
Bigger than the program.
But no, it was all jokes and comedy. Like, you know, I just want to add comedy. Like, when my podcast, I don't want it that serious. Like, I like shooting shots and jokes, you know, little jokes here and there. It's nothing personal. She gets up and leave out that motherfucker. We cool, we hugging and all that. I'm shooting gay shots at the bitch and everything. She gets up and leave. He texts me soon as he get in the car. I still got all the text messages. He talk about, she don't like you. She's jealous of you. She's this. She's talking bad about you. I'm like, what? I ain't never said nothing. I never reached out to her and got on her DM. I never did none of that. But that day, that very day when she commented back on that shit, I knew you was a fake ass bitch. It started me. So I'm like, what the fuck? So I said what I said. Don't, hey, I said, keep it cute because I'm going to see you. Or whatever the case may be. And I left it like that.
So now,
years went later, I see you
on the screen.
Yeah,
with
and
me,
live
Spider
stream.
Loc, and you was like,
but I was being cool.
Right.
I was in the live stream because she was sucking that big stick, like oh, that's the type of program I be on. Like,
yeah,
I was
what's that
like,
shit called? The when you do that MD, whatever. We know what I'm talking about. You making all them noises and slurping and shit.
Mm-hmm. So she was on my, but the shit y'all was talking about kind of was funny. You know what I'm saying? So I LOL, and I noticed she noticed my name because everybody started saying, what up, Rennie Loc? What up, Rennie Loc? And then, what's his name? Spider Loc started saying, hey, what's up to my Loc? That Rennie Loc. And then I said, damn, Spider Loc about to ask this bitch something about me because I seen him start moving over. Talking about, so what's up with you and Rennie Loc? Because I know y'all was on a podcast. You went on her podcast, how y'all relationship is. Then she just said, well, she told me to keep you. I don't know what that means. So I just said, you know what? Fuck it. They live stream. They in the city. Hey, what's up? I'll pull up. Like, you know, I'm gonna pull up. He said, yeah, pull up on the panel. No, I'm talking about I will pull up right now. See, he don't know. Y'all don't know nothing going on. Like I said, y'all don't know nothing going on.
And they talking about we set her up or Spider Loc set her up and shit.
I don't do my, if I got beef with motherfuckers, I'm not never finna go on live. I'm not finna go make no video. You know how y'all go back and forth? I'm not finna do that. I'm gonna wait. I wait till I see mine. You feel me? I talk afterwards. And I don't even talk. I just say, somebody gonna see me, do my shit, and they gonna be like, oh, Rennie Loc, I just see you jumped out. Yeah, that's what I do. I don't be playing with no bitch. Any bitch back in the days can tell y'all that's what she do. She ain't gonna say nothing. She'll pull up by herself and everything. Yeah. I done got jumped and went and squabbled all the bitches down that jumped me. What is you talking about?
No. I was just going step by step, right? Because they like to say that was planned or like somebody set her up.
Nothing was planned. And I didn't even know y'all was, remember when he said, okay, we finna let Rennie Loc in, I'm gonna cut the camera off. Right. I'm thinking the camera off anyway.
Right.
Until he said, okay, now when we all got, you know, cool, and we about to sit down, he said, okay, we about to put the cameras back on, y'all. We finna just do some content. We everybody cool. 5, 4. When he did that countdown, that bitch said, yeah, coming up in here like you was about to do something. Right. My heart. Munchie B, I didn't even know you was right there in the middle. That's why I'm like, what? When you kept saying it, like my homie's gonna laugh at me. I'm like, what the fuck is you talking about? Somebody sent me the video right away. The screen recorder. I'm like, what the fuck? That's what he talking about.
Oh no, I wasn't tripping off from laughing though. I just knew I played ping pong around the room.
No, I didn't know you did that. That's what I'm saying. I didn't know you did all that.
You had tunnel vision.
Yeah, like I blacked out. Like I really fucking black. Like when I get mad like that, I black the fuck out. No, I don't see shit but the bitch. So it was like, it was fucking me up. It was like, damn. Like, what are you talking about? Then I seen it when I went home. I said, oh, this what much she was talking about. I'm like, oh my God, I felt it so motherfucking bad. But I'm like, I didn't hit him. He was just in the way.
I didn't hit him. He was in the way.
He was in the way. You know I didn't hit you. Come on,
nah, you stiffed on me a couple times. No.
Then y'all gonna make a video. Then y'all go live and say, yeah, really did. No, you know damn well I didn't. And my titties saved you. No, what hit you was my breast. You just didn't feel that. Them motherfuckers just feel hard. Like the motherfuckers just feel hard.
No. You came in. You addressed then that like you come. I'm like, man, kick back. You come down. Then when the camera came back on and she said what she said, that's what ignited it back. You know what I'm saying? Because you did kick back, like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, I did. I kicked back. Like, I was happy. I was like, oh, I prayed and hope this bitch don't say nothing. I blocked her car in. I'm telling you, I blocked the shit in till when, if she do try to leave, I'm already up on that ass. You going to bust my shit up. You feel me? Because I don't play them type of games. And she knew that. So it's like, then you tried to say extra shit. Like, I could have ran around Spider Loc. Like, I'm too big. I can get around him and get you. Like, it ain't nothing. It's that I knew you wasn't ready for that. So I was mad at myself by doing that to that girl. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because, bitch, it's like you on here mouthing like these niggas. I don't play like that, though. Like, I'm serious as fuck out here in these streets like that when it come down to my name. Bitch, you ain't finna fuck my name up, baby. On no type of fuck shit.
No, that's why I say it's a thin line, bro. Even when somebody, they got the comedic lane, and then don't play though. It's a thin line though. You know what I'm saying?
Like I see niggas right now, like they don't know me, but then they go through the streets and then, oh, I know you. You know, woo. It's like, baby, like I'm up here on the internet to make people laugh. I done had all them bad times. I done been through all that shit. But you know what I'm saying? So the internet to me is like like I want to make people laugh. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be back in that like oh, here this bitch, she finna bring some shit over here, like some drama. She gonna try to get a nigga, you know, slapped up or whatever the case may be. I'm not in that no more. Like I'm not in that. I grew up. I'm out of that. Like it's just like I'm in here. This is my lane. I'm funny. Always been funny. It's my character.